Hello beautiful people. In this video I will talk about Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager account access. So let's get started. So let's see on my screen. So in last part I create this account, Tag Manager account. So now I'm going to the admin menu and here is our account and here is our container and here is account setting, user management. So if you want to share your account with other seller, so you can easily share your Google Tag Manager access. So right now I'm the administrator on this account, so I want to share my container on this account actually. So I'm going to another Tag Manager account and this is actually Universal Analytics. I track everything Universal Analytics, like add to cart, purchase event, email event, phone number, file download, MailChimp for form submit, outbound link, scroll page, YouTube video event, contact form 7 submission, and Google Analytics base code. And these are actually Universal Analytics. And on the Google Analytics 4, these are automatically and enhanced measurement event. So we will not configure this because of these are already have Google Analytics 4. So right now I'm going to the transfer this container actually. So I'm going to the admin, then I'm going to the account, then user management, then I'm going to add a new user. Here is I add some user on there. I'm click add user. I put my email address on here, and with access I will give you administrator access. And read and write, here is read write, publish, approve, done. And here is no need this container. This is another container. We don't want this container. I only provide this digital analysis container. So I already select administrator role and now I'm selecting invitation. So we are successfully invite on this account on this mail. So I'm going to our mail and here is our mail, and I'm going to the property. I'm back and tagmanager/google.com/home. And here is our invitation. Here, when I go to the invitation, and we will see digital analysis pending. There have already 3 administrator, and I accept this. I refresh this. So right now we can see this type of container, digital analysis, and here is the Astra, but we did not share this Astra, and we can remove this as well. Okay, no worry about that. I'm going to our main here, and I refresh this. So now I'm going to the user management. So right now you can see google.ads arif and administrator has accessed. So we can easily share our Google Tag Manager account access. So now I'm going to share Google Analytics 4 account property access. And I'm going to the admin. And here is only one property. These are two already removed. I remove this. So I want to share this account or this property access on another access. Now I'm going to another Google Analytics dashboard, and these are another Gmail, and here is already have 5 analytics data account. I copy this Gmail. I copy. Now I going to the account management, account access management. Now I'm creating invitation, add a user, put their Gmail, and which access I'm selecting administrator, and no cost, no matrix, no access. Also we can select this, so no worry about that. That's select administrator, so full control of account. Now I'm add this user on my Gmail property. So I added this Gmail on my Google Analytics 4 property. So right now they are already administrator, and here is my no digital analysis account. I'm going to the refresh, and I will see this account already working on this mail. So you can see I'm going to the dashboard, and here is you can see e-commerce GA4 GTM. And I'm going to our old account, e-commerce GA4 GTM. What is our account name? Our account ID is 3262. I'm going to this account, and here is you can see 3262. So we are successfully give our analytics access on another user. You can see 3 user, and here is total average engagement time 15 seconds, and here is same to same. I'm going to the dashboard, So you can see these are perfectly working right now. Hope this video is helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe this video for upcoming videos. I want to share my experience and I think you will never be disappointed. Bye bye.